All right, back to financial matters now. The Central Bank of Kenya, CBK, has announced the licensing of additional 12 digital credit providers. This brings the number of licensed digital service providers to 22 following the licensing of 10 DCPs announced in September last year. Now, according to the CBK, the focus of the engagement has been inter alia on business models and consumer protection to ensure compliance with the law and safeguard customer interests. CBK further says that other applicants are at different stages in the approval process.